windy. It's like it just blows you over.
Oh, I never even looked over here last night.
Oh. Yeah, they have a big tree down in their front, right on their little garage shed outside. What a mess.
Hey, you should. They got one of them little trailers. Where the? Oh God, they come.
I don't know, Raj. They moved the lift out and they took the railings off here. Okay. They're taking the dock off.
I come to supervise.
Don't give suggestions unless you're doing help.
Yeah, but then you get the DEQ here with all, because there's gas and oil in that thing. They'll have a fit.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
Maybe I should get in there and help.
Well, maybe you could since you're their neighbors.